Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's DIY, I'm going to be filling in some concrete filler through a crack in front of a garage that is separated and has had some grass growth and picked up stuff. I'm concerned about having some moisture within this crack, so I'm going to seal it because it's so close to the garage foundation and the house. As you can see here, here's the crack here, and deep down in you can see where it's separated. Got to clean some more area out. I already started on it, and going to do some more. I'm going to caulk all the way in front of that foundation around the front of this so it seals it up. First thing here is going to be cleaning out some of the debris out of here so I can get the caulking down to seal the concrete below. It's a very simple process. You got to get in here and vacuum some of this. Sometimes it takes a little bit of a screwdriver to get the brake loose, get the debris out of it, get down to the crack. So you can seal that crack in between the two foundations. Keep that moisture from building up. Generally pretty easy process. Generally more time consuming than anything. Try and get as much dirt out of there and particles as you can. Hey, that looks pretty good. It's a pretty simple process. Doesn't take much. Just got to squirt the caulking down in there. Till you see it start to come back up. I'm not going to bring it up to the level of the concrete. This crack has gotten pretty big. It's separated quite a bit. Got concerns that might get underneath this foundation, the moisture, and cause it to rise up, expand, and give further issues to the foundation of the garage. So just a long process to get it to fill in. First we got to get it down in, and then we'll come back around and level it out across the top. This is just a concrete caulking. It dries hard, only takes about an hour, and it's dry. This should stop any moisture that's coming into the crack and any growth from the weeds that blow in and grow, and you keep treating it. But I noticed it's separated enough that you can see way down into the crack with it. The expansion joint they put in here has deteriorated over time. This concrete was done in '98. So it's been quite a few years since it's had any stuff done. Well, here it is. I filled it in with the concrete caulking and came out relatively well. I'm satisfied with what I'm seeing with it. Did have an area over here that had a pretty good sized gap and had to fill it in quite a bit. It's already starting to set up. This will keep the moisture from getting underneath the concrete And when it gets to a wet condition, freezing, expanding, and possibly cracking the foundation floor off the garage or in the front of the garage here. I'd like to thank all of you for watching my YouTube channel and the continuance of views and subscribes from everyone. It's much appreciated. I hope you got something out of this. Thanks. Peace and love.